My friends, losing files is frustrating, but the bigger problem starts when those files are connected to work, clients, or projects you cannot easily replace. A deleted folder or a damaged storage device can quickly turn into a serious issue, and in many cases people assume the data is gone before they even try to recover it. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at Wondershare Recoverit, a tool designed to help restore lost files from different types of storage. The idea is to see how it handles real data loss situations, where the problem is messy, stressful, and not always easy to fix. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Alright, let's start. Folks, Wondershare Recoverit is a data recovery tool for restoring files that were deleted, lost, or disappeared after formatting. It works with both built-in storage and removable devices. So if something disappears from a drive, the tool gives you a way to scan it and see what can still be recovered. Instead of making the process feel too technical, the software guides you step by step. You choose a location, start the scan, and review what the system finds. Mates, the useful part is that it can help in more than one data loss situation. The tool tries to find what is still recoverable and show it in a way that is easier to review. This is especially relevant for creators or anyone working with media files, because losing one project can mean hours or even days of work gone. My friends, once you open Wondershare Recoverit, you land on the main screen. From here I choose the drive or device where the missing files were last stored. What helps here is that the interface does not feel overloaded. The software shows the available recovery sources right away, so you can quickly choose the right place to scan. For example, you can start with a drive on your computer or move to a connected device if the files were stored outside the system. The point is that you do not need to configure anything complicated before the scan begins. After selecting the drive, I can start the scan. The software prepares that location and starts checking what can still be recovered. Folks, this matters because data loss is not always as simple as deleting one file by accident. Sometimes a whole partition disappears. Sometimes a drive is formatted, and the folders no longer appear where they used to be. In this example, we can see how the files may look completely gone when you open the drive normally. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. But the scan still checks whether anything is left on the drive. Instead of only looking at visible files, the tool tries to find the old folder structure and the files connected to it. That is important because a formatted disk can still contain traces of folders and files until new data overwrites them. In some cases, this can help bring back folders that look like they had disappeared completely. So the scan is not only about finding random files, it can also help make the result easier to understand. Mates, the same idea applies to external devices. If the files were stored on a removable device, the software can scan that location too. This is useful for people who work with cameras, portable drives, or cards used for media projects. Here the tool shows that it can scan a USB flash drive even after files were deleted and no longer appear in the recycle bin. I scan the same drive, select photo, video, and PDF, and recover them to my computer. Then I open each one to confirm everything works. A lot of video and photo work depends on removable storage, so when something goes wrong there, it can affect the whole project very quickly. My friends, during the scan, you can already preview the files it finds. That makes the process feel more controlled, because you do not have to recover everything without checking it first. You can check what was found, see whether the file looks usable, and decide what is actually worth recovering. This is especially helpful when the scan finds many items and you only need specific files. Folks, once you find the ones you need, you select them and start recovering them. The important part is choosing a safe place to save the results. The software reminds you to use a safe location, separate from the original drive. That warning is there for a reason. If you save recovered files back to the same place, you can accidentally overwrite data that still needs to be restored. So overall, the workflow stays pretty clear. You choose where to search and run the scan. After that, you can preview the results and restore only the files you actually need. So guys, let's wrap this up. Wondershare Recoverit makes sense when important data suddenly disappears and you need a clear way to check what can still be saved. The workflow feels simple enough for everyday use, and the preview helps you decide what is actually worth saving. Of course, no recovery software can guarantee a perfect result. If the original data has been overwritten, some items may not come back properly. But in many real data loss situations, Recoverit gives you a practical chance to bring back important material before assuming it is gone forever. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to try Recoverit yourself, you'll find the download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.